All right, we're back. So another important thing, you're gonna want to get one of these face shields. I got this one on Amazon. I'll probably tag a link in the description. I think it was like 50 or so, and this was the better one of the 3 different ones I got. And you want to get a bunch of replacement shield because they get scratched up real fast. So they sell like a 5-pack that's like, I don't know, 60 bucks or 100 bucks or something. And they don't go that fast, but they go decently fast where like you can't see because of the scratches. So, all right, let's see how this goes. I like to do a little short burst because when you're not doing short bursts at times, it'll like, you know, not be spraying. So if you're doing an area that's really dirty, you just give it a couple taps, it'll be more coarse. And depending on what you're using, you may have to give it a shake every now and then, because what'll happen is they'll just get it'll just kind of pile up on one side, the sand will, and then it won't be feeding into the unit. And you gotta let the air compressor catch up at times, because when it gets low on the air, it'll like, you know, not have enough power. So like every once in a while, I'll take the like unit like this, if I got a lot in there and I know we're good, and I just give it a good shake, and you know, seems to do the trick. As you can see, when it's like working well, it's just like instantly getting the stuff off. And you know, this like appears that it could be like sand. Not 100% on that. I'm gonna get a scraper to see if it can break out or not. So I'm gonna end this video here so that I can upload a short one that we can get up there fast, and then I'll start the next one. So like, comment, subscribe, things like that. That really helps out, grow our channel, and you know, then it'll give you a notification every time I pop the next video. So if you're actually following along, trying to get this done, once I get this all cleaned up, I'm actually going to be swapping transmissions because the other donor vehicle I have has a better transmission in it, and there's no time like now to get it done when it's easily accessible, which is the only time. All right.